Hello everyone, this is a special program for kids from the age of 6 to 12 years to introduce them to the concept of logical thinking. Hello children, I just want to start this program with the story of Bhakta Dhruva. You all know that Bhakta Dhruva was the son of King Uttanapada and he went to the forest, did a great penance, and after the penance he pleased the god and got the boon of knowledge from him, and with that he became one of the great rulers of this land. Now similar to Bhakta Dhruva, another king by name Bhasmasura also went to the forest, did a great penance, and after the penance when the god appeared before him, he wanted to ask God to make him the most powerful man in this world. How to ask? He then thought that if I get the power to burn anyone by just touching them, then I can destroy all my enemies and be the most powerful man in this world. So he asked God, "Oh God, give me the power so that if I touch anyone, they should get burned into ashes." As soon as he asked this boon, then he realized, oh, if I take this boon, then tomorrow if I touch my wife and children, they will also get burnt into ashes. So he told God, you just give me the boon so that only when I touch the head of a person, he should get burnt into ashes. He refined his request, got this boon, came back, and one fine day when he was doing dance, he forgot this boon, kept his hand on his own head and got burnt into ashes. Then one more ruler by name Kumbhakarna, the brother of Ravana, did a great penance, and when God appeared before him, he wanted to ask for peace and calmness in life and ended up getting sleep. Now in today's scenario, we are all very lucky because without doing any penance, we have a God in our hand which fulfills all our needs. This God is nothing but our computers and the mobile phones that we carry in our hand. These mobile phones and computers are just like the genie of Aladdin lamp. Just like in the Aladdin story, when he rubs the Aladdin lamp, the genie comes out and fulfills any of the wish of Aladdin. Similarly, in computers and mobile phones, by just pressing a button, a genie comes out and asks us, what is your wish? Oh master, your wish is my command. However, the problem today is, first of all, we does not know what we really want, and also then whatever we want, we does not know the right way to communicate our need to this genie, computer or mobile phone. If we have good reasoning power and problem solving skills, then we can be like King Dhruva and we can get whatever we want from the computer. However, if we doesn't have this skill, then just like King Bhasmasura, we ask something and the computer gives something else and we end our life as Bhasmasura. Now, developing this kind of problem solving and logical thinking skills in the children by the age of 12 is the main mission of the new national education policy. And to achieve this, the Indian government has made an understanding with the American Manchester University, and they are using one of the software developed by them by name Scratch to build the logical thinking and problem solving skills in the students. Problem solving or logical thinking is a process of making us first decide what we really want, or first analyze what is our problem, then we break this problem into small pieces and then we try to solve them one by one, and this process is what we call as logical thinking. So we are now going to start a 10-hour program for every child to build this logical thinking using the software called Scratch. To learn this, all the children needs is a simple computer or a mobile phone and a web browser. So let us start our journey of attaining this logical thinking skills through the software Scratch. Welcome to our program on Scratch.